The Big Bang Theory is an effort to explain what happened at the very beginning of our universe, and tries to explain what happened during and after the Big Bang. Our universe came to be about existence around 13.7 billion years ago. It is also thought to have begun as an infinitesimally small, infinitely hot, and dense. This apparently caused the Big Bang. After its appearance, it began to expand and cool down, causing it to go from being really hot and small to the way it is now. And it still continues to expand and cool down today. Many people have misconceptions about the Big Bang Theory, thinking that it was an explosion when really there was an expansion, and it still continues. Prior to singularity, nothing existed, not space, time, matter, or energy. Singularities are zones which defy our current understanding of physics and are thought to exist at the core of black holes, and are zones of infinite density, and is thought that our universe came from a singularity. Some evidence that supports the Big Bang is galaxies appear to be moving away from us at speeds proportional to their distance. This is called Hubble's law. Discovered in 1929, the observation supports the expansion of the universe and suggests that it was once compacted. Also, if the universe was initially very hot, like the Big Bang Theory suggests, we should be able to find some remnant of this heat. In 1965, radio astronomers discovered a 2.725 degree Kelvin. This is thought to be the remnant scientists were looking for. There are several more theories out there on how our universe began, but the Big Bang is the most popular and with the most evidence to prove it. There are possibly over 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Of course, they've never really been counted, but there are several. Some of the distant ones are similar to our own, and others are very different. Galaxies with less than a billion stars are considered a small galaxy. Galaxies are classified into three main types: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. A spiral galaxy is one like the Milky Way. It consists of a flat disk with a bulging center and surrounding spiral arms. The galaxy's disk includes stars, planets, dust, and gas, all of which rotate around the galactical center in a regular manner. This spinning motion at speeds of hundreds of kilometers may cause matter in the disk to take on a distinctive spiral shape, like a cosmic spin wheel. Some spiral galaxies obtain more interesting shapes that earn them certain names, like the Sombrero Galaxy. The older stars are in the center of the galactical disk, in the bulge. Many new stars also form in spiral systems, and their disks are surrounded by a halo that scientists believe are rich with mysterious dark matter. Elliptical galaxies are shaped as their name suggests. They're generally round but stretch longer along one axis than along the other. They may be nearly circular or so elongated that they take on a cigar-like appearance. Elliptical galaxies contain many older stars, up to 1 trillion, but little dust, and other interstellar matter. Their stars orbit the galactical center like those in the disks of spiral galaxies, but they do so in more random directions. Few new stars are known to form in elliptical galaxies. The universe's largest known galaxies are giant elliptical galaxies, which may be as long as 2 million light-years long. Elliptical galaxies can also be small, in which case they are dubbed dwarf elliptical galaxies. Galaxies that are neither spiral or elliptical are called irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies lack a distinct form, often because they are within the gravitational influence of other galaxies close by. Some galaxies occur alone or in pairs, but they are more often part of large groups, clusters, and superclusters. Galaxies in these groups often interact or even merge together due to interacting gravity. Merges cause gases to flow towards the galactical center, which can trigger rapid star formation. Our own Milky Way may someday merge with the Andromeda Galaxy. It's 2 million light years away and visible to the naked eye from Earth's northern hemisphere. These intergalactic processes may be part of natural evolution, but which irregular galaxies transform into one of the other shapes, and by which spiral galaxies become elliptical galaxies, which scientists believe will happen. Most astronomers believe that galaxies formed after the Big Bang that began the universe 100 billion to 20 billion years ago.